my video. Today's video is a August Glossybox birthday edition. So as you can see behind me, the Glossybox is right behind me. But if you want to know what the products are in this month's Glossybox and how to get your hands on a Glossybox, then please stay tuned. Before I show you the products in today's Glossybox, I just want to say that this special edition birthday one is now out of stock. But if you subscribe now, you can save money on your September box. I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys about Glossybox, my referral code and everything else you need to know about them as well. So that'll be all in my description box below for you guys. But for a little quick description of Glossybox, they are a subscription service. You receive a box like this every month, and I get mine for £10 a month, and you get a box like this, and the products are worth £50. So yeah. But this is the August Glossybox. This is the birthday edition. I actually thought I wasn't going to grab my hands on it because of the day it was dispatched to the day I paid it. It was completely long. The boxes are dispatched on the 5th of every month. On the 1st of every month your payment is taken, and on the 5th of every month their box are dispatched. When I found out it was this box, and I thought, oh my god, I so really want to get that. And then I got an email saying no payment. So I thought, oh my god, I don't know whether I'm going to get it or not. But long story short, I paid it, and then I realised I paid it too late because the dispatch is on the 5th and I paid it on the 7th. But yeah, I actually grabbed my hands on one. So thank you so much to Glossybox. I cannot thank you enough. I was so excited to receive this. I have actually opened it before I showed you guys because there are products in here that I wanted to try out really quickly. But yeah, let's get into this box. So the box is absolutely stunning. It's perfect. It's in this baby pink colour with this beautiful ribbon on the front. You can undo the ribbon, but it doesn't actually undo the box itself. But I'm just going to keep the ribbon as it is because it's so perfect. Look how gorgeous that is. So unfortunately this box is sold out, but like I said, if you subscribe now, you can receive the September box. And I will tell you something else as well before I end this video that's very exciting, and I cannot wait. So when you open the boxes, obviously you come to this. So this is your little leaflet or booklet or whatever you want to call it of basically your products of what you're going to receive inside. So it tells you absolutely everything about the products. Also, Glossybox has released their own skincare. Glossybox has done their own skincare, which I'm trying to grab my hands on, but at the moment with loads of bills and everything else that needs to be paid, it's a bit hard and tricky at the moment. But Glossybox, if you don't know anything about Glossybox, they're not just a monthly subscription service, they are now doing their own skincare range, and I cannot wait to buy them and see what they're like. We have got a little sneak peek of one of them actually in this box, which I'm so excited to use. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that Glossybox have their own skincare range as well. If you don't really know, then head over to their Glossybox page, and that is all their skincare products. So you have a daily cleansing cream, 3-in-1 rich moisturizer, gentle foaming cleanser, profile charcoal cleanser, night serum, exfoliating clay scrub, daily micellar gel cleanser, hydrating mist, 3-in-1 moisturizer, and eye boost cream. And they are from Glossybox as well. So please go and check out their skincare range, and also a little sneak peek on what I'm about to talk about later. Cannot wait. So like I said, I've already opened this box because I got too excited. But when you open your box, you will see tissue paper like this. Sometimes they have ribbons on, so you undo the ribbons before you get to the tissue paper. So as you open it up, I was so excited to receive this box. These are the beautiful products that I received. I will show you one by one anyway. But first things first is this beautiful beauty blender. So this is the Brushworks Wonder Complex Sponge. Now obviously if you have watched any of my makeup videos, I love a makeup sponge beauty blender. I love them all so much, and if you have seen my recent video, I did a giveaway for you guys, and thank you for you guys for entering them giveaways as well. I will be doing more giveaways as soon as possible as well, just in case. If you guys are unlucky that didn't get anything, there will be more giveaways, don't you worry about that. But this is a beauty blender. I love beauty blenders. I use them all the time when I do my makeup, and it's in a lovely baby pink colour. I'm actually going to get this out of the box and show you guys. I love beauty blenders, I really, really do. So you've got the pointy end at one bit, and then you've got the flat end at the other. I love these kind of beauty blenders, I really do. So let's just pop that back in there. Then the next thing, I was so excited when I knew that this was going to be in the box. So this is the Glossybox Skincare Cream. This is the Eye Boost Cream. When I found out that this was in the box, I was so excited, because I'm trying to grab my hands on the skincare from Glossybox and trying to buy them. I'm not going to say they're expensive, because they're reasonably priced, but with everything else we've got to pay, it's so hard at the moment. But I will get them one day, don't worry about that. I will get them one day, and I will show you guys as well. So if you want to see like a little review or something about these, then let me know. But this is the Glossybox Skincare Eye Boost Cream. Reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. I cannot wait to try this. I've got a eye cream that I use downstairs, which I got from Look Fantastic. I use it all the time, especially when I do my cleansing, especially when I've got to get up about 4 to 5 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, this will come in very, very handy, especially when I've got to get up really, really early for work. The next product I have got, I actually had some of this in my bath the other day. I was so excited to use it, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to use a little bit and make sure there's some left in the bottle so I can show you guys. It smells incredible, by the way. It is this. As you can tell, I've used some of it. This is the Malt Brown London Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. Now this is incredible. I absolutely love this. Oh my god, the smell is unreal. Oh, it's unreal. I love it. If any of you don't know about it, because you probably know about it, but if any of you haven't never smelled this scent before, I highly recommend it. It's just so nice. I could have used the whole bottle in my bath and made it really bubbly, but I didn't, because I wanted to show it you guys as well. But yeah, this is absolutely incredible. So thank you Glossybox for putting this in the box. I loved it so much, and I might have to use another load later on. Then when I saw sneak peeks of this month's Glossybox all over Facebook, all over Instagram, and I saw this product and I thought, oh my god, I've got to get that, because I love that brand so much. It is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Day Slayer, and oh my god, I don't know if you guys are picking that up, but look how gorgeous that colour is. Like, oh, I don't know if you guys are actually picking that up. I don't know if you guys are actually seeing that, but it's absolutely stunning. It's like a nudie kind of colour. It's so perfect. I love all Huda Beauty's products. They are absolutely incredible, and I love them so much. Maybe one day I'll end up working with a brand, but you know, Huda Beauty, if you ever watch this, I don't think you ever will, but if you ever do, hit me up, you know, hit a girl up. I would love to work with you. But Huda Beauty is the absolutely beautiful product I've ever used, and I love this colour as well. I will very much use this all the time. The other Huda Beauty kind of lip glossy I got, I use all the time. I don't know if it's in here. Oh, and there goes my ring light. But yeah, this is the other Huda Beauty. This is the Lip Strobe, and this is in the shade Angelic, and I love this one as well. I'm always using this one so much. But yeah, I absolutely love this one to death. Last but not means least in this box is this beautiful thing. So this is this Steve Laurent, I think it's pencil, eye pencil. Oh, it's a lip liner, sorry about that. Steve Laurent lip liner. And if I get it out the packaging, I will show you guys. I haven't actually seen this since I received it, and oh my god, the colour looks incredible. Why do they make boxes that you can't even get the product out? Do you know, I've got to rip the box. I've literally got to rip the box open to get the product out, because otherwise I can't get it out. Right, so this is the Steve Laurent lip pencil in the shade Vogue. Now I love the name of it, Vogue, I really, really do. Let's try and untangle this. I'm trying to get the plastic off so I can show you guys the actual colour properly on the actual pencil. Why does everyone have to make things so flipping hard to get out of? First it's the packaging and now it's this. Is it just me, or do other people, do you guys hate them little plastic bits they put on products and stuff that it takes forever to get into? Because I really do hate them, because you think you're going to get them and you're like, oh, and then you go, no. Oh, here we go. That took forever. So this is the Steve Laurent lip pencil in the shade Vogue. Oh, it is a very, very stunning colour. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll probably actually... Now that is a stunning colour for a lip pencil. It's like a burgundy nudie colour. Great description, Lauren, really great. It looks like a nude colour, but like a dark reddy kind of colour. And what I do is I'll swatch this for you as well, guys, so you guys can actually see. Oh, now that is perfect. Maybe not together, but the Huda Beauty is a perfect colour, because it's like a nude colour, so it will go with perfect any kind of outfit as well. So they are the swatches of the Huda Beauty lipstick, which is Day Slay, and the Steve Laurent lip pencil in the shade Vogue, and they are absolutely stunning. Guys, that has been my August Glossybox unboxing, the birthday special. Now that was a bit of a mouthful. Birthday special video. So if you've liked this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Oh god, I've almost forgot to tell you the most important thing. Before I end this video, actually quickly, I just want to say that if you are a subscriber or a non-subscriber to Glossybox, then Glossybox are having their advent calendar on sale next month. So September the 8th, I think it is, I'm not too sure, but don't quote me on that. I will let you know in the description box below for you guys anyway, just to be sure. But I think it's on September the 8th that the Glossyboxes are releasing their advent calendar, and I actually have a picture of the actual Glossybox advent calendar. That's what it's going to look like. I cannot wait to purchase one. So it says here, our advent calendar is back. Enjoy an exclusive subscriber price of £80 and a priority access from Tuesday the 8th of September. So I've got it here. So it's Tuesday the 8th of September. It features 25 of the hottest makeup, skincare and hair care products you've ever always wanted to try from some of the most iconic brands out there. And they've got some of the brands listed. Huda Beauty, Iconic London, Lime Cream. Purchase the advent calendar through the Glossybox account and your subscriber discount will automatically be applied at checkout. So for subscribers it is for £80. I don't know how much it'll be for non-subscribers, but on Tuesday the 8th of September, for subscribers only, they are doing the release of the advent calendar. I will show you a close-up again so you guys can check it out. I'm so excited because I love Glossybox anyway, and I cannot wait for the Glossybox advent calendar to come out. Last year I bought their very first one and I loved it. I didn't want to, I think I actually showed you guys in one of the videos, I think it's my very first video I ever done on YouTube. I didn't want to show you guys all the products and everything because I wanted to keep it as a surprise for myself. But if you want to know when I receive it, if you want to know what the products are in the Glossybox, like from day 1 to day 25, then I will do a Glossybox advent calendar unboxing for you guys, just to show you guys what you can receive if you have one. Or if you don't want me to reveal every single day, and you just want me to reveal some days and just keep some days a secret, then I will do. But please let me know in the comment section below what you kind of prefer, so I know what kind of video to do for you guys. Also, I want to try and grab my hands on the Look Fantastic advent calendar as well. So I'm going to try and keep an eye out for that as well. So if I can, I will have 2 advent calendars from the both brands that I am loving so much. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly let you guys know about the advent calendar. So if you are a subscriber, you can actually purchase one yourself. So without further ado, I'm going to end this video. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well, so you can help me out and become part of the family. I'm loving doing YouTube. It's becoming a really nice hobby to do, especially in like really bad weathers, or you just can't be asked to go out, or on lockdown again. You know, it's something I enjoy, and I love doing content for you guys. I love beauty, I love hair care, I love products. There's going to be hauls coming up, there's going to be more house tours, there's going to be house updates, Christmas content. Oh, there's going to be so much, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So if you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so you're notified every time I upload, so you do not miss any uploads, because trust me, there is so many uploads coming up your way. You do not want to miss a thing. So I'm going to love you guys so much, and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.